pre-game Velocicoaster for this. Yeah.
Last time?
Family!
Huh?
He's like family.
Did you hear him before he came in? He was like, alright, on your way in, hit the gritty, skibbity. I don't know. Yeah, he said that. I heard him say that.
That means really not that bad.
They're tight? The band is tight?
What?
Is the band tight?
Yeah. For me or you?
For you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't expect this to be very wild, but yeah, I'll tighten it. The Embarcadero.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Other than that.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? We deal with it together.
Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out. Come on, everybody out.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss. You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Oh, man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're out. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Yeah.
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phone. And keep very quiet.
It smells funny.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
Oh my god!
Where do people learn to ride like that? And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew.
Why'd they spray me with water?
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good
Family
out there.
sprays on me?
And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
What?
How did they do all those rules about it?
I don't know.
What did the family do?
I don't know. They did family stuff, I guess. I love how you need a child swap for this. I couldn't even understand anything that was going on. I didn't understand anything that was going on. So first, we get invited to like party or whatever, and then second, they take us to like party, and then third, they kill a dude with a construction crane?
I was wondering how they got the crane in a tank too.
Yeah, I was
don't really know the
confused.
lore.
And I don't understand how they hooked it up to both of the buses too, because there's two in front of us, so like, I don't get it.
You see Tori?
No, I don't.